Welcome. Well, I'm here today to talk to you about our Drymatic high pressure radial fan with our 12-port kit. Let's run through what you get in the kit. So you've watched one of our previous videos about the fan. Now you get the 12-port head you get 11 of these rubber stoppers to stop the air, so you can block it off. You're always going to have one open, of course, minimum. So you can actually buy these if you ever lose them. You can buy extras. They're no problem for us. We have full parts. You also have 12 cuffs, and the cuffs go onto the end here with your 30 meters of hose. And you also have 6 hose joiners. So example, if you're cutting the hose and it's not quite long enough, you can join 2 hoses together with your hose joiners. You get 6 of them. You get a really nice Drymatic duffel bag, and it's got wheels. So it's a wheelie bag with a handle on the side, so you can wheel that into the job. Okay? So fantastic, this particular product. Great if you've got a dehumidifier and you want to deduct that dry warm air into here, and then you want to pump that into a cavity and so forth. So very good for pressure drying. Okay, so check out our website for further information about our fantastic new product from Drymatic, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks very much for your time.